One of the biggest thing which confused me a lot when I started lifting was the amount of reps or sets one should do in order to maximize progress. Watch this video till the end and all your doubts regarding this topic will be gone. If that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Hey guys, my name is Apur Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos related to fitness, fashion and a lot of other stuff every single week which you don't want to miss out. So before we get into the reps and sets, you first need to understand that there are two movements which you do in the gym, which are known as compound movements and isolation movements. Compound movements are those movements where you use more than one muscle group. For example, when you're doing your bench press, you are hitting your shoulders and triceps with chest as well. Now, isolation movements are those where you target one muscle group, like your bicep, triceps. You have to do different sets and reps in both these movements. For compound movements, the rep range of 5 to 6 for 4 sets is the best. Let me explain why. I know maybe it's your first time hearing so much less reps, but trust me, this is the best for you. As a natural lifter, the thing which will help you to put on muscle mass fast is strength. If your strength is increasing in the gym every single week, then you are gaining muscles. Both of them are correlated. There's no way around it. That's why some of the best natural lifters, keyword natural, are strong as hell. Less reps with high volume is the best way to increase your strength. So your main objective in the gym should be to get strong in compound movements like squats, shoulder press, pull-ups. I always start my workout with a compound movement. For example, if let's assume it is my push day, then I will start with bench press. Then I will not just go to the bench and start doing my max. Max means the most amount of weight you can lift. If you do that, you will get injured. Before hitting your max, always have 2 to 3 sets of warm-ups. Increase weight on them in every set and then do your working set. Hope you guys understood what I'm trying to say here. Now, when it comes to isolation movements, your rep range increases. You should do 3 sets for 10 to 12 reps. People think that 3 sets of 12 reps is some kind of magic number which will provide them with gains, when it doesn't work like that. It literally depends upon the weight you are lifting. Challenge your body every single week. If you can lift X amount of weight on bicep curls for 12 reps, then increase it next time. Maybe this time you hit only 10 reps, but you are still lifting more weight, which is in turn helping you to build more muscle. It's all about progressive overload at the end of the day. Now, another major thing will be the amount of rest you should take between sets. Like we discussed before, for compound movements, you are doing less reps with a lot of more weight. Therefore, you need to rest at least 2 minutes between each set when you do exercises like bench press, squats. This will provide enough rest to your ATP molecules and you will be fully charged for your next set. In case of isolation movements, 40 seconds to 50 seconds is more than enough. You shouldn't take more than that. One more thing to always remember is to find a balance. You shouldn't try to do ego lifting. You are literally torching your body with more weight than it can handle and your form is shit. You getting injured is inevitable. You are just a dumb idiot. And if you're not challenging your body at all, you're just lifting lightweight in the gym, you are just a pussy who will never grow. So always find a balance between the weight you are trying to lift. So yeah, this is all you need to know regarding sets and reps. So most of your doubts are gone now. If you still have any doubt, make sure to add me on Instagram and shoot me a DM over there. Also make sure to share this video with your gym partner. Maybe he is also confused regarding this topic. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
Open for plans tonight. No.